Sir, congratulations for the award that ET Now Business Conclave have awarded you. How do you see this award and what is your take about it?
So obviously, it's a great journey that has been, and it's been a challenging journey. Gathering the trust of people across India is not easy, and especially in a construction field out here. So it feels, we're on the top of the world here, and quite elated that it has been recognized, and the efforts that we've been putting in so far, day in day out, and this is just a great place to be.
And so you.
I think we are just beginning to scratch the surface of construction, right? And I feel so great that we get to meet so many people who are beginning to shape India in its new form. So really excited to meet many more people here, many more entrepreneurs, and learn from them as well.
And you're talking about the construction, and we're also talking about Viksit Bharat 2047. And in this, so your industry's contribution towards that, how do you see it?
So I feel today, if you look at construction, close to 99% of it is unorganized, right? So exactly as taxis, hotels used to be 20 years back. Today with Brick and Bolt, what the company is doing and what the founders are focused on is to standardize the entire journey, right? So you understand to the nth level detail of the home that you are trying to build, right? And then you are not dependent on any XYZ contractor who will build and give it to you. So you'll plan your home in advance and then build it.
And how important will the infra sector play a role in India's mission Viksit Bharat 2047?
So definitely, so we are at the grassroots of developing India, right? So you need the infrastructure to be there for the rest of the world to come out on top and take it from there. So this is sort of the building blocks of what we see the future to be. So yes, we are at the ground zero, and we hope that we'll take it to the next level.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for speaking to us. Thank you.
Thank you.